Hello everyone, I'm Chen Chongyu from Jiangsu Zhongding Environmental Engineering Company Limited. This time, I'll take you to see a sludge drying and incineration project that our company has worked on, to give you an idea of what a factory looks like in the actual sludge treatment process. Behind me now is a silo for sludge feeding, designed to evenly feed sludge into the subsequent drying section. Inside this silo warehouse of ours, there are many raw materials collected from various sewage plants. These sludges have varying moisture content, and what's stacked here is generally sludge with around 60% moisture. Over here, there's a storage area, with the benefit that you can see above our ceiling. It's filled with air intake vents to ensure that our sludge storage area doesn't leak odors outside. The odors from the entire area will be sucked into a nearby biological deodorizing filter tank for odor removal. The storage space behind me is actually a receptacle for underground sludge. Its purpose is for the sludge to be discharged directly into this receptacle from the vehicle upon arrival. Under the sludge silo, there are various conveying equipment that can transport sludge to the rear drying unit for thermal drying through different routes. Similarly, this is just one silo. In this project, we have arranged a total of 5 silos. In each silo, exhaust ducts can be seen above, which extract all odors from the silo to maintain a negative pressure inside and introduce them into our biological deodorization system for deodorization. Behind me now is one of the core equipment for sludge drying, the drying unit. As you can see, it consists of a horizontal disc dryer, a cyclone dust collector, and a closed cooling tower. All the sludge from the front storage will enter the rear sludge drying equipment for thermal drying. The dried sludge is conveyed by a scraper conveyor below into the incinerator for incineration. The water vapor discharged from all its drying will be condensed by this condensing tower and then sent to the wastewater unit for treatment. Now, we are in the core workshop of the entire project, the interior of the incineration workshop. From that corner, we can see that the sludge dried by thermal drying is conveyed by a scraper conveyor to a furnace front feed bin, and then uniformly fed into our incinerator through the furnace front feed bin. The incinerator adopts a fluidized bed form. It has the technical characteristics for incineration of low calorific value materials meeting the standard. The furnace can reach a temperature of over 850 degrees Celsius. Allowing the exhaust gas to stay for more than 2 seconds, thoroughly decomposing all organic and harmful substances inside the sludge. Later, the exhaust gas generated from the sludge will enter the high-temperature cyclone dust collector through the exhaust pipe, undergoing initial dust removal. The remaining heavier ash will settle down in the sludge incinerator and be discharged through a slag outlet underneath. As you can see behind me, this is a transverse scraper conveyor. Now behind me, this unit is one of the crucial components in our entire sludge incineration and resource recovery process, which is a waste heat boiler for recovering heat from high-temperature flue gas. Inside this equipment, there are various water network pipelines, which continuously convert high-temperature flue gas of over 850 degrees Celsius into steam by recovering its heat. This steam can be supplied to the sludge thermal drying unit in front of us as the heat source for sludge drying. The fly ash can also be transported to the internal pipeline through other means, supplying it to the entire urban area network for other businesses to use this steam. Similarly, a portion of fly ash will settle at the end of the boiler. In this project, the same scraper conveyor is used to collect all fly ash residue. This portion of fly ash is also one of the important products in resource recovery. More detailed explanations will follow.